In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Outlook Signature with Logo. By the end, you'll have a clean professional signature that automatically appears in your emails. Start by opening your web browser and going to Outlook. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right and open Settings by clicking the gear icon. This opens a panel with quick options. From there, go into the Account area to access the full set of mail settings. Inside Account, find the Signatures section. This is where all of your saved signatures live. Click Add Signature to create a new one. Give your signature a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to keep more than one. In the editor, type the text you want to include, such as your name, job title, company, and website. Keep it short and easy to read. Consistent fonts and sizes help your emails look polished and trustworthy. Use the formatting tools above the editor to fine-tune the look. You can adjust font size and color, add helpful links to your website or meeting booking page, and create clean line breaks. If you're adding links, type the text first, select it, and then apply the link so your signature stays tidy. Before inserting your logo, place your cursor exactly where you want the image to appear. Some people prefer it on a new line under the contact details, others place it to the right of their name. Positioning your cursor now makes the next step effortless. Click the Insert Picture icon in the editor's toolbar. Choose your logo file from your computer. PNG and JPG both work well. A transparent PNG usually looks best on different backgrounds. Once the logo appears, it may look oversized. Click the image and drag a corner handle inward to resize while keeping it proportional. A width around 120 to 200 pixels is a common sweet spot, large enough to be clear but small enough to keep messages lightweight. If the image pushes lines around, try placing it on its own line, then adjust spacing above or below with the Enter key for a clean layout. When your signature looks the way you want, scroll to the Select Default Signatures area. Choose where Outlook should use this signature on new messages, replies, and forwards, or both. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you assign it to the correct one. Finally, click Save to lock in your changes. That's it. Your new Outlook signature with a logo is ready to go, and you can return to this menu anytime to tweak the design or swap in a new logo.